welcome back to the vlog. So me and Babe just picked up some of our Black Friday items. You just took them inside from Walmart. If y'all didn't know, Walmart has, and I think Target and other places are doing it too, where they have days where stuff is going to go on sale at certain times. So we got a 42-inch TV for $88. We got AirPods for $99, and we got 2 Apple Watches. We tried to get the 65-inch for $228, but it kept tripping. So anywho, we really want a 75-inch anyway for the living room, to put the bigger TV in there, and the next TV will go in our room. But yes, you guys, I'm so happy. I'm excited about that. So he just took our stuff inside. We're about to go eat at Cracker Barrel. And yeah, and then we're gonna do some more running around, and then he needs to go get an edge up. So yeah, I think that's what we're looking at. I don't know why it's taking him so long. I don't tell him what surely he's not trying to set that up right now. You know, we gotta go eat. This is my hairstyle that I'm rocking. This is my first time doing this one. I have it in pigtails. Yeah. So I'm gonna do a video about the different hairstyles that I do with my starter locks. So stay tuned for that. I don't know what is taking him so long. Okay, y'all, my car is so dirty. There he goes. Hello to the vlog here. Let's go eat, y'all. We'll be back. Is it? You sure?
Thank you so much.
And I'll send you for promo phone. Okay, so do y'all need anything?
We always share a waffle every time we come to Waffle House. And he drenches it in all this damn syrup.
You eat it though.
Sure do. You sending that to Kristen? Did you send her the bride? Do you like this comforter? This comforter set? It's only $27.99.
I'll get it.
But you don't like it. Why you don't like it? What you don't like about it?
Colors, please.
What kind of colors do you want? Like what? Burgundy?
Like that, yeah.
Why?
Because it's different. I like that.
Red?
I like this.
Blue?
I like this.
Like 2 pillowcases? This would be cute, I guess, for Christmas. Okay, let's see. What else they got? These look like they all clean. For these pillowcases. They pillowcases. Okay, let's carry on, dear.
Read to lead, dear.
I mean, I see the sheet sets, but I was looking at them up there. Those is pillowcases.
Didn't you just say that you wanted a sheet?
Back up.
You look up here instead of looking down here.
Yeah, I didn't look down here.
Yeah,
Jeez, I didn't read. He gets on my nerves. Okay, we only need one sheet though. Can we have one sheet? We need them bright ass red ass sheets.
I will let y'all be a witness. That's why when she asks me what I think, I tell her it don't matter what I think. See what I said? Because anytime I tell her what I think, she still don't do what I think she can do and listen. See what I said? So don't ask my opinion if you ain't gonna do it. You ain't gonna use it. Or if you're gonna shut my opinion down. Don't ask me for it. See what I said? Who all on my side? Let me know. Drop a like.
You want this?
You said you want to be festive.
No, I only said that because you like that red. the sheet sets to match. I don't really like none of these, dear. What you say? What'd you say?
So let's cocktail.
Have you found anything, dear? What do you think about this shirt? You don't think it's doing too much? It's cheap too. Then I also picked up this. This is $5.99. The long sleeve crop top. You really didn't find nothing? Don't get smart with me, young man. Yes, ma'am.